So here's how to create a mailing list on Squarespace. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First things first, log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. Now, let's proceed to access the marketing section. Click on Marketing in the left-hand menu to access the marketing features. Inside the marketing section, you'll find various tools to help you promote your website. Click on Mailing List to create your mailing list. Now you'll be taken to the mailing list settings. Start by entering a name for your mailing list. Choose something that reflects the purpose of the list, such as newsletter subscribers or customer updates. Then click Add Subscribers Manually and provide the basic information of subscribers and confirm permission. Once you're satisfied with the settings and design, click Done to create your mailing list. And there you have it. You've successfully created a mailing list on Squarespace.